So Lakshmi is asking, I prepared this flyer posted on WhatsApp group as direct selling. Can you tell me get a good idea? So on which group have you shared this? Which group? That's the important thing. Just think about the audience. On which group have you sent this? If it is family group, it will not work. If it is anywhere, I mean, this may not work if you see 100 rupees sale off. Okay, friends shop first. Aloe vera juice only 1600. WhatsApp now. Order now. My residential group. So instead of sharing directly this group aloe vera juice, what you can share is there are two ways. One is indirect approach. Like in most of the groups, in most of your society groups, what happens? Have you seen messages like one of my friend is selling this bike, है ना? One of my friend is selling this bike. He is working in Gurgaon, but now he has got opportunity. I mean, he is traveling to Chennai and he want to sell furniture, bike, all these things. There's a proper story, correct? Now you will find people interested. Okay, yes, I'm interested. कितने का बेच रहा है? Like this, correct? So indirect approach is one of your. This is indirect approach. Even my team, there is one person, CP Meena. He is a dietitian in Jaipur. He is a now well-known dietitian in Jaipur. Okay, so he does not sell my company product directly. What he says, I mean, he sells his diet plan, and then what he says is, to buy, I recommend you to buy this product, aloe vera and omega-3 from this company. This is my suggestion, but this is a little costly product. Number one, don't buy this from Amazon. I'm giving you a number. Call on this number, and he will give you the best discount. Take my name. That's it. और डायरेक्टली नहीं बोलता है कि आई एम कनेक्टेड विद दिस कंपनी, और वो नंबर दे रहा है शुभम, हु इज हिज अपलाइन. शुभम कहता है वो फॉरएवर का डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बन के, ऑफिस का स्टाफ बन के बात कर रहा है कि यस मैम, ये सीपी मीना सर ने ये लिख के दिया है, ये कितने का पड़ेगा? अच्छा, मीना सर ने लिख के दिया है, ठीक है. MRP इज दिस, यू विल गेट दिस. MRP इज 2200, यू विल गेट इट एट 1800. ओ थैंक यू, लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट टू प्लेस ऑर्डर. Sir, 100% confirm original मिलेगा? Yes, 100% original with invoice and also free home delivery. Because that delivery charge is 175, we are already adjusting in that bill. It is already, still we are into profit. So एक free home delivery is an add-on bonus, correct? So 3-4 point लिख दिए, and then वहाँ पे लिख दिया this is Meena has got this order. Now we place order from Meena's downline so that Meena gets profit. And Shubham gets CCPV, जो points होते हैं. Is this clear? Now, in your society group, ideally what you must do is, you should do indirect approach. One of my friend deals with world's best aloe vera. Okay, I have used this product for last. I'm using it, and my husband, my family, they are using it, and it is helping. Because of this, we are feeling better in form of maybe our sugar is normal and whatever you can say. Just give one line testimony. So wanted to share this in this group because I am sure that this can be, useful for this group. I think that group will find this useful. So if you want free home delivery, you can connect with this person and give this WhatsApp number, some other WhatsApp number like this. Then you will find people will message you. Then you will find, out of maybe you have 1,000 people in that group, maybe some of those will message, okay, oh yeah, yes, ये मैंने कभी use किया था आज से 2 साल पहले, मुझे पता है. For maybe they have already used it. Okay, then they may contact on this WhatsApp number with free home delivery. He is giving free home delivery in our society. Okay, so this way, there should be a proper story.